you want to add a little sunlight and a gulp of sea breeze to your room? Let's decorate your room in bright summer colors. What about lovely little fish? Let's make a marine wall decor with the cute creatures. We'll make fish from pebbles, and we are going to catch them with brass hooks. We'll use summer colors: blue, white, and yellow. Paint the top of the frame. Use white and blue to depict the sky. Paint the sea bright blue. Add white foam to define waves. Paint the sun in the right-hand corner. Color the edges. Turn the pebbles into fish. Choose the bright basic colors. We've painted the stones yellow and various hues of blue. Place them on the background to make the composition. You can attach the pebbles with double-sided mounting tape. It can be applied if the stone is flat. Or you can use a hot glue gun or multi-purpose glue. To finish the pebble transformation into fish, add some distinguished details. Paint tails and fins. Define the head, eyes, and mouth. Use a thin brush. Add black shadows to the tails and fins. Paint a few birds flying in the sky. Add an invisible fisherman's hook catching fish in the sea. Tape it to the back. Make a few hooks. The cute wall decor with the lovely little fish can become a wall centerpiece. Besides, it can be a perfect holder with its functional stones and hooks. Let's make a simple phone holder in summer colors. Cut out a cardboard strip. It should be about 3 times as long as your phone. Measure out the thinner end. We've made it 3 inches wide. Mark it off in the middle of the opposite side. Cut out a slit a 1/4 inch wider. The side is easily bendable. We should fasten it. Make the same shaped cardboard detail. Trace it and cut it out. Hot glue. Tape the edges. Tape the bendy parts. Cover the cardboard with the color paper. You can use white glue. We've decorated each side with a different color: the sunny yellow and sky blue. Cut down the slit. Decorate it with the colored tape to make it neat. Assemble the holder and place your phone on it. It won't take you much time to make the smart phone holder. Watch us with style. It seems that fish is the hero of the day. Let's make a school of fish to keep your photos and notes. Hammer big nails in a long piece of wood. Make little fish from color paper. Draw a simple shape. Use the first fish as a template. Add some details. Hot glue the sea creatures to the nails.